the Bifevsr or Bifevsr digital camera. It comes in a box. This 4K right at the top there, as you can see. A little pad on top there. It's nicely packed. So what we have here, let's take there's the camera itself. It comes with a screen embedded on it, so it's not a flip out screen, it's just embedded on the actual back of the camera. Initially I see the flash there. I see that it's got different options on a look-through lens on the side there. I like how it has the scroll menu on the top where you can set it to the still pictures or videos, settings, and multi other functions just by adjusting the scroll bar on the top. Then you've got the shutter button there and the power button right by that. There's a spot where you can slide on an additional flash if you want. And then on the side here there's the ports where you can charge it, and the HDMI port for access, and then the audio port if you want to plug in an external mic source for there. You open this up, it's going to have the removable battery and the micro SD card location. And then in the middle on the bottom is the spot where you would screw in the camera stand. Really nice camera, I think, with a really nice finish to it. 4K camera. Let's see what else is in the package here. Looks like there's a menu here as well. You have some considered service support, thoughtful after sales services, how to use the camera to shoot clear blockbusters. Get like the little lens cleanser thing in the actual official digital camera instruction manual. See what's inside that box. And there we have a long strap. I think this strap may go to this nice little carrying bag that came with it. It also has drawstrings on the sides of it. And we have the HDMI cord. That's the mini HDMI on one side. We have the C style USB charging cord, battery there, the camera lens cover, USB converter for the charger. So just plug the USB in the bottom of that, plug it to the wall. We have a micro SD card with 32 gigabytes memory card. Comes with it. So that's pretty cool. Last but not least, we have the additional battery. So we have two batteries, second battery. Okay, so as I switch the mode at the top, it switches to different various modes. It's like a multi-picture mode, 3-picture mode. It tells the resolution and such. That's the time-lapse mode. Put on a timer. Another some type of time-lapse mode. I don't know what that is. I have to look in the manual. Speed, setup mode. So in the setup mode, you can go to these various functions to set it up. Set the beat with no beat if you want. Power save, format the disk, the frequency, language, and such. So if I get out of that setup mode, I can go to a different mode at the top right here again. It's back to the video mode, and you can see my options on here. If I'm in the video mode, if I press the menu button, it'll go to the video menu. Same with the other modes. So if I go back to the video mode, switch into the camera mode, it's the setup mode. Go back one instead of forward one. Camera mode, and if I go to the menu on that, then it's going to go to the camera menu. So then different resolutions. It goes all the way to 48 which is the largest, 8,000 by 6,000 resolution. And the lowest resolution for a camera is 2MY, which is 1920 by 1080 HD. So, and let's go back and see how that is for video. For video, go to the settings on that, and let's go to resolution on that. It's on mode set right now. Let's just see what's in mode set since we're on that. Auto, night, portrait, landscape, beach. Okay, so let's go back into the video mode. And movie size. So there is the 4K movie option right there, all the way down to the VGA. So 4K is 3840 by 2160. So exit out of that, and you have the option to actually record video with the TV as a monitor on there. So I like that functionality as well.